Before the lengthy and delicate process of removing a centre wing box can begin, the aircraft must be stripped of major components, inside and out. And both outer wings are carefully taken off the aircraft and placed onto trolleys for long-term storage. The aircraft is moved into Marshall's proprietary staging for centre wing box removal and secured in place. Detailed laser scans are taken and sent for manufacturer review and approval. The centre wing box is systematically separated from the rest of the fuselage, removing fasteners, sealant and interfacing structures, wiring and piping. By now, the aircraft is effectively a metal tube being held tightly in place. Lifting begins from underneath, using specialised jacks to apply about 10 tons of upward force. This takes place on flooring that has been specially reinforced with steel plates. The team works slowly, since there is little room for error when working with the aircraft's primary structure. Once the centre wing box is free of the fuselage, its full weight is borne by an overhead gantry crane. The centre wing box is transported to a clear space alongside the aircraft and staging, and lowered safely. Marshall can now access and inspect all the interfacing structure. We often find cracking, corrosion, warping and wear after many years in service. It takes several months to repair these defects and replace parts, but the outcome is an aircraft fit for service for many years to come.